Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do cheetah makeup. Okay, so I did it in my earlier video, but I'm going to be doing this for YouTube. So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is not going to be a short, this is going to be a video that I'm going to be posting, and I hope you guys enjoy. So what I like to do is put some chapstick on because I have really dry lips since the season is winter. So, first you need to put at least some chapstick or Aquaphor or Vaseline or something to make your lips really smooth for Christmas. Okay, so the things that you're going to be needing is some brushes to make the cheetah design on your face. I'm going to be using these two, which I already used for my cheetah video that I did earlier today. So that's what you need. And then you're going to need a palette. So this is Wicked Dreams. This is my mom's old one, and I use this one. So this one you have to have a black eyeshadow and brown, like any kind of brown, but it has to be brown. Like dark brown or something, at least dark brown. So you need that for your makeup. And then if you want to do your base makeup, I would rather do concealer and like, I don't know, just anything. I'll just cover your face up so that it looks nice. To me, I don't like to use primer. I'm not that kind of person to use primer for my makeup. So don't come after me, please. I'm an innocent girl, I promise. I like to put the concealer underneath my makeup and then blend it out afterwards with my Rare Beauty concealer brush. I think I put way too much, but I need my eyes to be brighten up. Okay, so I don't know, my eyes are just tearing up for some reason, but yeah, just make your eyes look really white so that it looks like this. But that's what it needs to look like. And then you get your powder, the powder that you normally use. And then I would like to do is put some blush before you put the powder on. So put this, like any kind of powder you have. I just like doing this powder because like this is my hair powder I like to have and use for my basic makeup. But yeah, this is what my face, it will look really like pinkish, I guess. I used to put blush on my nose like right here, but like I only put a little bit. I don't put too much because my nose is really red. Because I've been crying to death. But that's that's besides the point. Okay, so you're gonna get your this or whatever you use to put the powder on your face, and then just put it on top, and then it'll look really smooth when you blend it in like this. So just blend it in. Just blend it in, please. Just do that. Okay. That's all I have to do. And then sometimes my makeup isn't makeuping, so like I would just just do that, and then I'll just put some powder all over my face so that it looks even. Okay, don't come after me. But yeah, that's what I do for my base. And then now I go into my powder. Well, after I do all my makeup, I would curl my lashes, but my lashes don't stay. I don't know why anymore. They used to stay for so long, but now they go down really fast. But it's okay. Okay, now my face looks really white because I'm in the freaking light. So I'm gonna get my palette, and then I'm gonna get my brush. I'm gonna put it in the black one first. I'm gonna do that, you know. And then I like to start from the top and then go to the bottom, but sometimes I like going from the bottom to the top. So this time I'm gonna do from bottom to top. So I'm gonna do like just a small little one right there, like that. And I'm just gonna keep doing it, like just keep doing it. I don't want to look too crazy because like I'm going to my freaking auntie's house. So I'm not gonna put a lot. I'm doing it really lightly so that it doesn't look so, I don't know, so black or like I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just doing a random design, okay? Don't come after me. I'm a new person. Okay. I'm a noob. Okay, that's what you need to do for the cheetah base. My nose is dripping. Okay. Now you're gonna get your, why don't I close it? Okay, you're gonna get your other, this. My face looks so white. I look so white. Okay. I'm gonna get my darkest shade of brown, which is this one right here. I'm gonna get that one, just dab it, and then just put it like where the black spots you put it in. Just like put it there, just a little bit, so that it looks like it's visible and you can see it. But just don't put too much because it won't look cute. I promise you, it won't look cute. Okay, the black is really light, so you're gonna have to do another coat of black after you do the brown. Okay, it doesn't look that bad. The last one was way better, I promise. This is just like a beginner. Chill. And then you're gonna do that. You're just gonna put it on all of the circles. Just make sure you get it all. Just like, don't leave any spots out, you know. You could do more if you want, but I'm not gonna do any more because, or I might just do one more. Why not? I'm gonna do one right here. That goes all the way down. Or I might do one right here. I'm risking it. Okay, should I do turn or should I do the, I'm gonna do it right here. Bro, that's so black. Okay, now I'm gonna do like the top coat of all of it. Hold up. You could need another brown coat if you really want to, but it's up to you. That's only if you want to, though. I promise you, this is the easiest makeup I've ever done. All the people that do it really better, they're just pros, okay? Just chill. You guys are just new. You guys are new. Or if you guys are really just like good makeup artists, please try this makeup. Just try it on yourself. Just try it on yourself. But if you really want to try, you could try it on different people too. It's up to you though. Up to you. I'm just putting more brown because like you could see more black than brown. And also I need to put more brown here, right here. And this one looks really better. It looks so good. Okay, I think I ate this part. I think I ate it up. I ate it up. Okay. Usually, what I do is put setting spray, which is the O/S setting spray, which I put. Chill. It smells like sunscreen, but I promise it's not. It's setting spray. It even says waterproof setting spray. It's waterproof. So like, basically if you go anywhere, it's waterproof. Chill. Sometimes I like to do, it's just like, I don't know. I don't even know what I do with this. Sometimes I just like make it more black and I just put it lightly on your face. You don't have to put this on, but I just do, just like to make it more lighter. So yeah, you could even do the other side if you want, but it's only if you want. I'm not going to because it's too much for me. My face is not even for all of that. Sometimes I like to put it right here, just make it look more cooler and like I'm a cheetah. I might do that. Hold up.